In 1974, Marvin Bevan's original multi-range voltage detector design, or MRVD, began to be produced using Chance's epoxy glass poles. Before each use of the unit, test each range by turning the knob to each range, then watching for the needle to sweep all the way to the right and back. This self-test confirms proper operation of the unit. Once tested, turn the selection knob to the anticipated voltage range of the conductor to be tested. Then attach the unit to an appropriate length hot stick to maintain proper minimum approach distances for that range of voltage. Apply the hook to the conductor at a perpendicular angle in a location far away from any transformers, insulators, cutouts, ground clamps, or other apparatus. Watch the needle for deflection and note the reading. Please contact customer service for more information.